I am Mangomin. You are watching IT Beginners Guide. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video and press the bell icon. Today we will see how to compare two column values from two different Excel sheets using Vlookup. So here there are two different sheets having phone number. This is one sheet having phone number and this is the separate one and having phone number. Okay. So let us see how to compare the values using Vlookup. First of all, let us put the formula like equal to Vlookup now. Vlookup value, which one? This is the lookup value. Put comma. Now table array. Go to next sheet and this is the table array from C1 to till end. Okay. Now come back to first sheet and put comma. Now column index number, put 1, comma 1. Here 1 or 0, 1 for true, 0 for false. So, close the bracket, press enter. Now, if you drag the column till end, you will see these are the numbers which are matching in both sheet 1 and sheet 2. The numbers here is present, that number present in here. But where the error shows, it means this number is existing in this sheet but not existing that another sheet here. That number is not available here. So it is showing error. It means 1, 2, 3, 14, 15 column, 14, 15 numbers are not present in that sheet. You can compare like this. Suppose it is 50 and in that set count is 41. So these are the values are not present in that Excel sheet. This is the way you can compare two column values in two different Excel sheets. Thank you.